Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am here with another tag for the Year of Julie Nutting tags, hosted by Donna, who's Powered by Creativity, Shar, who's Sparkling Shar, Karen, who's Karen Small Crafting here on YouTube. So this month, we always do a month ahead. So we're doing March, and it's St. Patrick's Day is the theme. Oh, I, I used this doll, and her name is Candy, and I just love her. I love her hair, and I love her dress, and she's just gorgeous. Just love it. Okay, so the tag is 9 1/4 by 3 3/4. So here is my tag. I just love her, and I used my double bow at the top here. Okay, so the doll, I stamped her and colored her with my Copics. I paper pieced her dress. I added some Wink of Stella, I don't know if you can tell, to her hair. I also added Wink of Stella in gold, on the shamrock. And I used, yeah, Wink of Stella, and I'm trying to find my punch that I use. It's a tiny little, I don't think I have it here. It is a tiny little shamrock punch that I've had for years. I added some stickers. Here's a doily and some green trim from my stash. Added some stickers. It says "Kiss Me, I'm Irish." Irish for a day, and that's the Irish flag. I added some gold shamrocks to the back, and also some green flower bling. So I really love how that, it's simple, but I love this. It's a crocheted doily that I had in my stash. I think I bought it at Michael's way back when, and I was like, oh my gosh, I knew I was going to use that on something. I added some green gingham ribbon and my finger bow with the Dollar Tree lace. I just love this lace, it's so pretty. And then on the back I have the information and some more, what do you call it, shamrocks, gold shamrocks and green shamrocks. And here's the pot of gold. So, I was wondering why St. Patrick's Day at Dollar Tree had these cauldrons, and now I know why. It's the pot of gold thing, and I think I mentioned that in that video, but just want to make sure. And, I love this paper. I think this paper I got at, I think it was Hobby Lobby, and I inked the edges of it. So I really love how that turned out. And here is my tag for this month. Next month is Easter, so that will be fun to do, some Easter projects. So I want to thank everybody for watching. If you have any questions about this tag, let me know down below. And you can say you hate it, you like it, whatever you want. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.